All right, I have another garden update. As you can see, that's a cucumber I'm zooming in on. I planted this kind of late in the year because I had some problems, but hopefully before the summer fully ends, I'll have some good cucumbers. And this is a brandywine tomato. I cloned another plant, took a sucker off, planted it, and it's growing pretty good. So hopefully we don't get any frost anytime soon. And these are just some regular cherry type tomatoes. Doing pretty good. Had moderate success with tomatoes this year. Could have been better. And these are my kohlrabi. These are cool weather plants. Planted these and they are growing well. Can't wait to see how they taste once they're finished. These are Roma tomatoes that I water sometimes with bottle irrigation technique. It works for me. And what we have here is the giant red Japanese mustard green. These things are spicy. They will burn the hairs out of your nose. And the star of my growing season this year are my peppers. I have orange, yellow, red, and of course they all start off green, but they have done very, very well this year. And my other superstar are the Serrano peppers. They have also done well. I've dried them, I've grinded them, I've preserved them in oil. Finally learned how to do that. And of course another pepper. This one is turning red. And I will roast these and then preserve them in olive oil. Or just eat them right away. And last but not least, my green onions and chives. I'm going to put something else in that box next year as I rotate my crops. That's it.